Did you know if you post the wrong time on YouTube, the wrong people are going to see your content? As a result of this, you are not going to get the metrics that you need for YouTube to be able to push your content to more audience. Don't worry, at the end of this video, you are going to know the 3 best times to post your content in 2025 and some mistake that you might be making that is affecting your videos. Posting time number 1. This is from 10 a.m. to 11:15 a.m. Remember, this is for where you are specifically located. Make sure you are familiar with your YouTube analytics to see the best time to post for your local time. But there are still 2 other time slots that you need to know. But before we get into this, I need to make sure you are not making this mistake that a lot of small channels are making. Mistake number 1. Make sure you are not just pushing out content in 2025, but instead quality over quantity. You're probably asking yourself, oh Stella, since you are saying I should put out quality content, do I need to get a new phone? Do I need to get a new ring light? Do I need to upgrade from phone to camera? That is not what I mean. That every of your video must check these boxes. Number 1, something your ideal audience wants to see. Every video you are putting out on your channel has to be something that your audience wants to see. If you keep putting different videos that your audience don't want to see, they are not going to watch it. And these are mistakes a lot of small creators keep making, putting out content that their audience don't want to see. You need to make sure your videos is better than other videos that already exist. Like they say, there is nothing new on that planet Earth. Every video you want to make is already on YouTube. You just have to make sure that your video is better, the information you are passing is better than what is already on YouTube, or is even current. Because the thing about this YouTube community, the guidelines are always changing, so your own has to be more current. YouTube already has videos, that particular video that is already pushing out to the audience, so what will make your video stand out is what you are meant to do. Number 2, you need to make sure you are taking time off posting at least 24 to 48 hours, especially when the video you posted is doing well. Work with me here. If you post a video, your videos are ranked. Now you have to go to your YouTube studio with your Chrome to be able to see this. You will not see this on your regular YouTube studio. So when you go to the Chrome version of your YouTube studio, you see that every video you post, every last video you post is ranked. When you have a 1 out of 10 post or a 2 out of 10 post, it is not advisable to now push out another content almost immediately, because people will actually stop pushing out the video, especially when it's doing well and it's like in his prime time. Leave that video to just do well and get more views and get more watch hours for you before you upload another video. Because if you upload another video, you are obstructing that video and you are only going to kill the reach of that video. Please make sure you click on the subscribe button and go to mistake number 3. If you have a video that is doing well, at above average or doing excellently well, make sure your next video or your videos to come are either in the same topic and the same length of that video. It is as simple as that. If something is already working, utilize it. Make sure you milk it out. Don't say, okay, because this video is working, I got like a very good number of subscribers and watch hours and views from this particular video, then you now want to try another thing. That's the mistake a lot of small creators do. If you are on an average, if you are getting like 100 views and you put up a particular video and you get like 500 views, use that same format, create more videos with that same topic and with the same length. The thing that nothing lasts forever, that's just the truth. There are new styles, new topic, new niches coming out, so nothing lasts forever. So if you see something that works for you already, utilize it, exploit it, use the opportunity, like make sure you capitalize on it till it doesn't work again. It's posting number 2. The first, I already told you, the first time to post for posting number 1 is 10 a.m. towards 11:15 a.m. Now in posting number 2, 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Please, if you miss the first window, make sure you don't post again. If you miss that time, don't post again. Just wait till the second posting time before you post your video. And this is why that window, that time, people are not really on YouTube. So if you post your video when a lot of people are not on YouTube, not a lot of people are going to see your content. They may just click on your video and not watch it, which ruins your average view duration, which is bad for your video. It's bad metrics. It's going to tell YouTube that this video is not doing well, and YouTube is not going to push your video to a larger audience. By the way, there is one other time slot that works like crazy for small YouTubers, which is from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. After 8 p.m., personally, I will not recommend you to post any other thing on YouTube, except you are posting a trending news for your audience, and that's if that's what your audience wants to see. Otherwise, many people are not on YouTube after 8 p.m. Give me a like and a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, I'll be in the comment section to answer all your questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.